Down on the ground. Down on the ground now.
Pull the car over.
Don't move! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands now!
All right, so right now we got units that were trying to stop this vehicle for failure to signal, and the vehicle took off at a high rate of speed. So right now we're joining in the pursuit. See if you can catch up to him.
Bravo Mike, black t-shirt.
Hey, a construction worker is pointed left like he went to Sunset.
I'm on Sunset now. 1050, right here. Got him, right here at Sunset Drive. I don't know if he's in the car.
Right down the street. Hey, what's where? Right there, that's where. That way.
Wait, he's right there!
Back short.
All right, so we got a visual. He's running between these houses.
Margaret Road. Bravo Mike.
So we got another sighting of him, so we're trying to relocate to where they just saw him take off.
Well, if you stop, you'd have. They'd have told you.
Yeah, you know if you stop, honestly.
What's up, bro?
We're going tax office.
You know if you stopped.
Huh?
You'd know if you stopped.
No, I didn't.
Alright, bro. Yeah. Hey, Tom, let's walk over here.
Collins.
Hey, just so you know, post Miranda, he said he ran because he didn't have a license. That was stupid, right? No, you enjoyed it? You really, like, wanting to risk the life of an innocent person to get away because you don't got a license?
He hit another vehicle head on and then crashed onto the shoulder of the road before he took off on foot.
Luckily, I'm good. Family truck's damaged. Hopefully they can fix it, but hopefully the other guy's good too.
We were able to find a baggie of marijuana, so we were able to get him on the SPMJ charge along with failure to stop for blue lights and driving under suspension. So he's going to face those charges. We're going to go ahead and get the vehicle towed, and then he's going to get transported down to Upness Glen.
Because Canine Specialist John O'Shaughnessy is trying to pull over a vehicle there.
No, it's Show Me 10-0 going past inbound 2-notch blue Camaro going past Richland County right now. You're gonna get blocked now. All right, we're at the fork in the road now. I think he's pulling over. Don't know. I'll let you know.
Pull the car over.
Yeah, he ain't pulling over. We're on Fontaine, speed climbing, about to pass 277. I knew that's what he's waiting for.
right past 277. Approaching the Arco Lake Drive.
Go in there, go in there, go in there.
Alright, vehicle's trying to ram take that right now. We're on Fontaine, Broken Farrow. Fontaine is going across Farrow.
Man, this whole lane's being a douche.
That's North Flower 3.
Hell yeah. Alright, still got my lead.
Fontaine, back towards
Clear left, clear left.
Rapid flight. Speed's going to be about 80. Fontaine approaching 2 notch.
Come on. Thanks. Just got screwed by you.
Alright, we're going 2 notch outbound, past headquarters. Trying to 6 at 2 notch in Denver.
Yeah, he's still up there, so.
Sorry, we should be stretching across. Alright, 2 notch coming up to Bella Vista Drive. Speed.
Let's see if we see it up here. Yeah, I think he's up there blacked out, I believe. Yeah, coming up to Columbia College. Is that him?
All right, so this is Master Deputy Sloan Simpson. He's getting out stop sticks to try to stop this vehicle.
What kind of car was it, though, Shaq?
Camaro and racing stripes. He took a left or right, like at roof. No, before roof. Like kind of right after whatever the first left or right intersection is after the headquarters.
Risley? Possibly Risley, so it went back towards Fontaine, maybe?
Yeah. Yeah, we got screwed at the freaking fork in the road.
What color?
Blue with like race stripes. I don't know if it was black race stripes or gray, but it would have a sunroof on it too. That's
got a loud muffler, you'll hear it.
That's so annoying. Well, anyways. You got to clear intersections. People sometimes don't like to stop for blue lights, well, including the Camaro. But if you approach an intersection, no one's freaking looking, so we have to be safe. Unfortunately, the bad guy doesn't have to be, so we'll look for him. He's a noticeable car.
We're going clear channel.
He's driving really strange, though.
All right, so now the search will continue for that Camaro in Richland County.
Did you get the plate?
I'm gonna have to go back and look at my camera. He was driving pretty crazy.
Let's get some updates from last night's show. Let's start in Richland County, South Carolina. Canine specialist John O'Shaughnessy got a call about that fleeing Camaro. He joined in the pursuit, took over his lead vehicle. At one point, the deputy's patrol car and the Camaro real close. Meanwhile, as this was all going on, Master Deputy Sloan Simpson waited up ahead with stop sticks as he prepared for the Camaro to come his way. Several of you online thought this might have been the Camaro. It was not, as it turns out. Actually, as far as they know, the car never did come his way. Meanwhile, the deputy continued to pursue the vehicle, but not for long. He lost sight of the Camaro over a hill where the road came to a fork and the car disappeared. Here's the update. During the pursuit, deputies got a very clear look at the license plate. They're now actively searching for the owner of that vehicle. The department will be on the lookout for that Camaro.
Copy 2700.
We got an individual. He called 911. He fell over. He's in the grass right here. I guess he's calling for help. I'm gonna check on him, see if he's all right. You in any pain? You in any pain?
Huh?
Are you in pain?
Yeah.
Where's it hurt at?
Right here.
No, where's it hurt at? Like, where's the pain on your body? The hip?
Yeah.
Do you have recent? Is it a recent injury?
Yeah.
Okay, you heard it before?
Yeah, hip surgery.
Yeah, hip surgery.
Y'all hear me?
Yeah, we hear you.
Which hip is it?
I'm gonna roll you on your back. Is it all right?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna roll over. Ready?
I'm telling you.
You good? Okay.
Everything's cool, man.
How's everything cool? You see you in pain.
You ain't drunk all that tonight, have you?
No.
All right.
We got EMS coming to help you out.
Woo!
Oh yeah, woo!
Just lay right there until they here. Put your blanket up under your head. Just lay right there until they get here.
I already.
How you doing? Really need? You just called 911. Obviously you need help. Stop playing. Oh, I'm sorry. What?
My birthday.
Is your birthday? Happy birthday. How old are you?
Birthday.
How old are you? You look like you're in your 30s.
Huh?
I said you look like you in your 30s. How old are you?
Always 47, bro.
You 47?
No, I was tipsy.
You tipsy? I can tell. I can tell you a little tipsy.
At least I'm
You
there.
celebrate?
Oh yeah, you good.
I remember you. I remember you.
It's his birthday.
What? Last time was your birthday too.
Damn. How many birthdays you got?
Mr. Darrell.
Oh,
Where do you
okay.
hurt? Where do you hurt?
His right hip.
Wow.
Touch it. Show me where you hurt.
Ah!
No, saying ow doesn't work. Touch where. Show me where it
That's
hurts.
real fun. No, I'm just little.
Hey, he feel better now. Yeah, she had the magic hands, huh?
Come on, sit up. No. Sit up.
Come on, sit up. Sit up. Come on.
Sit up.
You ain't got to stand up, just sit up.
No, sit up.
Sit on your butt.
I'm not giving you a massage. Sit up.
Do
No.
I'm leaving him. He said his right hip hurt. Caroline got the magic hands, so she's making him feel better. He said his hip was hurting, and that's why he called us. But when we got here, he said he don't need us. Why we called the ambulance? But he's in pain. So they're gonna check him out, make sure he's good to go.
It's not your birthday anymore. You can't celebrate from September until January and say it's my birthday.
Whoa!
All right, so we're going to be heading out to a accident with entrapment and hit and run. The other driver has fled the scene, so we're going to go see if we can assist and locate.
420 units are set on the river.
They had to be flying.
He went that way, but it was the gun was as
He saw him get out. I saw him running, and I got it. My description was like him this big.
no. The troopers
No,
had
but
the gun down.
it was. He couldn't get the front
Okay.
door open. He ran around, saw him run out. What?
We got a passenger outstanding right now that ran from the vehicle when the crash happened, so we're going to see what's going on.
My kids said the dogs were going like crazy.
Yeah.
And if anything, they're running right through here.
Mm-hmm.
And this all woods on that back side right
Okay.
there up against there. So yeah, he could be laying down in there. Or whoever it is could be laying in there.
They tell you where the kid lives?
Yeah.
Behind me right up here.
Have you seen him?
I guarantee you this way. We are going the right way. We're almost there.
Yeah. And we're trying to track down the passenger just for the well-being. They think they know who he is. That accident was pretty severe, so. Okay, Nan's got contact.
Down on the ground. Down on the ground now. You're going to get bit by police dog. Down. Keep your hands out. Down on the ground. Down on the ground now. All the way on his stomach. Hands out. Do not move. Somebody hold lethal. Yeah, I got you. Hold lethal for him. Hold lethal for him. Hold lethal for him. Do not move.
I don't have nothing. I swear to God.
All right, well, we located him. It's actually two. Unexpected that, but we got him. And I think mostly it's just for the well-being of the passenger, just due to the circumstances behind the wreck being a head-on collision. People did state they saw him take off running, which is a good sign, but adrenaline also kicks in. So you really don't know what the actual extent of his injuries could be. So we just want to make sure that he's okay. And then go that route. This is going to be a highway patrol case. I'll have to get some more answers from them currently, so.
All right, right now we're en route to reports of shots fired. It was a neighbor that observed his neighbor outside in his front yard, and he was shooting a handgun to the air. Right now, units are on scene. They've located 3 casings in the yard. They are requesting more units this time. From prior experience, we know this guy has some anger issues for previous law enforcement experience, so hopefully we can kind of find a peaceful resolution.
Look. And I'm gonna make you look little. Yeah. Man, get your hand on. Are you serious? Are you serious? Man, get up, get your hand off me, man. Man, get your hand on. I gave you my ID.
Relax. All right, we're gonna walk over here for a second.
And you gonna let me go?
Come on, let's have a chat. I'll let you go.
Yeah, you gonna let me? Yeah, you gonna let me go? You gonna let me go?
All right, so I'm gonna read your rights.
For what?
We're just conducting an investigation. All right, you're not under arrest right now. All right.
You don't understand it?
I'm not saying nothing.
You saying you don't want to talk?
No, not until I get my legal.
Right here, Cal. Okay, that's fine. You want to?
Yeah.
All right, have a seat.
How you gonna arrest me?
You're just being detained right now. You're just being detained.
How you arrest me?
All right, so he's already been detained at this point. I grabbed a commonly referred to as a beanbag shotgun, but less lethal shotgun, in case he failed to comply with commands.
If you let me out, damn. You know what I'm saying? Treat me like I'm a.
Sit back in the car, boss. Here, just have a seat. Just have a seat.
Man, that's some bullshit. How the
You're just being detained right now. You're not under arrest.
You white and you privileged with a badge, right? That's what's up. That's what's up.
I'm being cool with you. Just be cool with me.
That's what's up. I'm just saying, man. I ain't even got shoes on, man.
You do have shoes on.
Man, I can't even put my foot in my shit, man. I can't fit in here.
Well, that's the biggest car we got, dude.
Oh, man, that's bullshit.
Bigger than a Taurus.
It'd be different if I did something.
Okay.
You Richland County, y'all Richland County deputies, man, y'all full of shit.
Okay, word. Put your leg in.
It'd be different if I would have joined y'all.
Swing your leg in.
Okay. All right.
You didn't want to talk with us without a lawyer. That's fine. So
it's cool. My identification is in my pocket.
I'm not talking about your ID.
Oh, that's oh, okay.
Scoot back just a little bit. There we go.
There we go. Oh, they're in the charcoal chimney.
There's actually 4 of them. There's one standing upright under there.
There's 5 in the charcoal chimney.
Oh no, another one right there.
There's one right there. There's one next to the leg over there. And there's one right there.
So we've got 3, 3, 4. 3, 6.
There's 5 in there. So my man is just out here like trimming his beard and shooting guns, drinking Keystone. He's home alone. We got 9 rounds on the porch, fired rounds. Multiple people saying they heard a gunshot. So at this point, he's being charged with aggravated breach of peace. It's a step above what normally would be a breach of peace. Is a 5-year charge in South Carolina, which would also further prohibit him, if he's convicted in court, from possessing a firearm. Obviously, the firearm in question is inside of the home. He's going to jail for aggravated breach of peace, and we'll have to come back later with a search warrant for the gun.
This is Sergeant Ethan Perkins. He's got a report of a dispute between neighbors.
I'm talking about car lights on and all type of shit.
Oh, sir. Did you guys call? What's going on?
Man, I came outside to my car, and the lady that lived down there, the old white lady lived down there, she was sitting in my car with the door closed and everything. This live PD?
So, did you by chance get any sort of like video or a photo of her sitting in the car or nothing like that?
It happened so fast. I ran her out my car. And he said he seen her standing right here earlier. Like,
okay.
She was just standing next to my car. When I came outside, she was sitting in there.
Sir, you said that you saw her sitting over there in the car.
Don't shine the camera on me. Who is she to you? Said to film me.
Huh?
Who is she to you?
Nobody. She just stayed down there.
Do you know where down there she stayed?
No, yeah, I know where she at. Yeah, they down there. It's like a little house back there.
All right. Well,
yeah, Nah, that ain't my bike. That's mine. That's bro bike.
That's yours.
Yeah,
okay.
Talking to me. So he said he seen her.
You know where she stayed?
Yeah, I know she at. I walked her down there.
Okay.
White female, black female.
It's a white lady. I always see her walking down the street.
603. I'm out with 130.
Tonight she just felt like breaking in my car.
Was it left unlocked? Do you know of?
Yeah, like I don't lock it. I just leave the door unlocked.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And usually I done been staying right here like 5-6 years. I don't really be worried about it. It's just college students really on this street.
Right.
So I don't really be worried about that.
Sure.
We're going to be out at 648 Kentucky. Unit C. Sheriff's Department. I think the door's over here.
Is it? I was just checking. Oh. It wasn't. You're right.
Sheriff's Department. Solid. Right there. Hey, how you doing?
Doing all right.
April Link, Richland County.
Huh?
April Link, Richland County. What's going on with you guys?
Nothing. She's just moving in.
Huh?
My friend's moving in.
Okay.
Mind if we talk to your friend?
Yes. Cheryl?
Yeah, let me talk to Cheryl.
Cheryl, come here. They want to talk to you.
What happened with you in the car over there?
Okay,
the Kia.
a girl was bringing me here,
Okay.
right? And she has a hybrid.
A hybrid?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And we were trying to get some of my belongings out. We were all squished up.
Mm-hmm.
And so I told her, I said, I'll drive. This is a hard place to find.
Sure.
I said, well, I'll drive. So I got in the driver's seat,
And the man come out of the house and said, "Get out of my car."
Okay.
I said, "You gotta have her." And he said, "No, that's my car. Get out." So I got out. I mean.
Yeah. So your friend that drove you over here. Where's your friend that drove you over here? I guess. What's their name?
She lives in. Right before you get to Perry.
I didn't ask where. I asked what her name is.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
Erica, and I don't know her last name.
Okay, understood. Where's she at now?
I don't know. I got out the car.
So she was driving that car?
Yeah, before.
Okay,
yeah.
so she picked you up in that vehicle. You were in the driver's seat, so you were driving, correct?
When we got right down here.
Okay, at what point did you go from being picked up to in the driver's seat?
She drove it all the way to right there.
Okay.
Right?
Sure.
And she drove by here and said, I don't see no house. I don't see no place. No driveway.
Mm-hmm.
And I said, well, it's there. It's right there. So she said, well, I don't see it.
Okay.
She said, and if there's one there, it's too high for my car to go over it.
Mm-hmm.
I said, it's not.
Okay. So since you were in the driver's seat, you have the keys?
No. I never took the keys out or I never put the keys in.
Okay. You got your ID on you?
Yeah.
Will you hang out really quick? I'm going to go talk to him right quick.
Yeah. But that was a hybrid.
Pardon me. Oh, you good.
Well, the great news is that we have Detective D'Andretti here with us to explain to us exactly how she went from one car to another car, right? I mean,
right. I'm still confused with the whole situation.
We're all
like,
confused.
I'm like, I don't know what's going. Yeah.
Right.
I still don't know.
We're all confused. Yeah. I mean,
right.
it sounds like she's saying she got a ride.
Right.
There.
Correct.
For a minute, it sounded like she was driving, but no, she's getting a ride. And then she gets into the driver's seat, and the next thing she knows,
it's there.
Guy is saying, "Get out of my car."
Correct.
And the person who drove her close to that area is nowhere to be found at this point.
That's correct.
Yeah.
And she only knows
it was
her.
a hybrid.
And it was a hybrid. That's right.
It was a hybrid.
Kept saying it was
Sounds
a
like maybe both were hybrids. Oh, if there were two cars.
That's right.
I'm not implicating. I'm not saying they're necessarily two cars.
That's right.
But it sure sounds like that might
Hybrid occupancy.
Correct.
Right? All right. Sergeant Ethan Perkins.
Not Erica.
This is the guy.
Because she was saying that basically her friend Erica
car
picked
it
her up
was.
in that car.
So why would she be in the driver's seat?
Well, so here, and this is just the story I was given. And I'm not saying it makes a whole lot of sense, but basically when they got up there, they swapped places, and that she was driving. So
she told him, because he seen her standing in front of my car outside. He seen her walk from right here down there to the car, and she told him. He asked her, just speaking to her, she said everything okay. He seen her walk from down here to her, stand in front of my car. Now she talking about she was with somebody. They don't even be driving. I see these people every day.
Sure. Okay. Have you been inside of your vehicle since?
Nah, I just opened the door and looked.
Okay.
It ain't nothing out of place or nothing. 'Cause I took my wallet out of there, thankfully.
Okay. Understood. Yeah. All right. Well, I'll be right back with you. Okay, sir? Do you have the keys to that car on you?
She's in the house.
They're in the house? Okay. And your girl, she's there right now?
Yes, she there.
She wasn't gone or anything like that?
Nah, she was in there. I was asleep. I just woke up
Sure.
to pull out to get something to eat, and I see her sitting in the car.
Okay. All right, so got out with this gentleman. This gentleman was saying that he walked out to his car and basically saw a lady that was just sitting in the car. We came down here because he's seen her before. She's saying that basically her friend had picked her up inside of that car. At some point, for whatever reason, they swapped places to where she was sitting in the driver's seat. And the only name she was able to give me was Erica. He said that the only other person that has access to that car is his girlfriend, but has a different name. So, I mean, and I guess she was there. All right, bro. What you got?
I'm just running her.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, her story doesn't make a whole lot of sense. I'm probably about to go 6 or 7.
No, and she keeps talking about a hybrid.
Yeah, we're trying to find him. Shrewsbury.
Were you on scene with him?
So I have 851, but whose car is that? Can we put her in there until then? Cool.
I don't know. I think he said somewhere close to his car.
All right, man. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and have you put your hands behind your back right quick.
This is the woman who was sitting in the guy's car. When he came to his car, she was sitting in there with the doors closed. She claimed she'd gotten a ride there, but the guy insisting she didn't get a ride in his car.
I'm double lock these so they don't tighten up.
Certainly seems the police are accepting his account of it, and she is being arrested.
Thank you. There you go. All right, man. We're gonna go ahead and walk out this way, okay?
Okay.
And I'll explain everything. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Go ahead.
How you said she was moving in here?
She's supposed to move.
Ma'am?
She's supposed to move in here.
Oh, okay. She's supposed to move. Was she in the process of moving in here right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Was she dropping stuff off?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay, you guys.
Did she bring anything in yet?
No, just a purse.
Okay.
I'll be out with a 1080 at 11:31, Bar River. It's a Bravo Mike in a pink jumpsuit, dressed like a bunny. Yep. What's up, man?
Take my shoes up. It's me.
It's you again?
Yeah.
Oh my
Take
God.
my shoes up. Look, my shoes up to it. That's all.
Oh, what you wearing?
Huh?
What you wearing?
These with him.
Hmm?
These with him.
What you doing right here? What's all this?
This ain't mine. This right here.
This definitely is.
This right here, mine right here, man. Right here. This mine.
Don't touch that. Don't grab that knife. Don't touch nothing right now.
That's that mine right there. See? Check my bag. Check my bag.
Come here, put your hands behind your back right now. Be entertained.
I ain't doing nothing, man.
You got open needles right here, man. I'm trying to figure out
Them
what
like
this
my
is.
needles. Bro, them not my needles, bro.
They were in your constructive possession,
Look,
sir.
I just, no,
Stop.
I didn't. Bro, this not my needles, bro.
That's
Carol!
Sit down right here. Just sit down.
Man, them not my needles, bro. Ask my girl, bro. Oh,
Got anything else on you?
man, you can check me, bro. I got nothing else on me, bro.
Why you all pink today?
Bro, I just got this out the bin, man. Just walked down here and got this out the bin, bro.
Oh, the change.
My girl just got this out the bin.
Cool.
Carol!
Stay over there. Stay over there.
Stay right there, Carol.
Stay over there.
Carol, stay right there. Bro, come on, man. Them are not my needles, bro. You can check the blood and I ain't got no blood in there. Them are not my needles, bro.
It was in your possession, sir. You sitting down right here next to it.
Possession. I sat down right there.
Is this Michelangelo?
I did all out the bin, man.
So you're right here, like crystal possession of meth. You're going to jail.
What are you wearing? Man, the Powerpuff uniform, man.
Where did he get the bunny suit from? He's magnet. He loves onesies. All right.
Man, I said right there when I saw them niggas right there, I sat down right there beside them, bro.
Get in the car.
Hey, man. Someone in the arrest?
Mr. Terry is being charged with possession of meth. So yeah, just knocked out his paperwork and he's going to jail, just like a powder puff girl.
So this car in front of me here, I just ran the tag and shown that the registered owner has a suspended driver's license for not having insurance. So we're going to conduct a traffic stop. It'll be Summerlin Road at Parks Meadows on a silver Nissan Sentra. Deputy Foley, Lee County Sheriff's Office. Is this your vehicle, ma'am?
Yes, it is.
Okay. It's showing your license is suspended because
My
you don't...
license?
Yeah. Yeah. Real quick, do you have a medical marijuana card at all?
Yes.
Okay. Where's that at?
I was just smoking at home. I live in Iona.
You were just smoking at home?
Yes, I was.
Okay. Can you hop out here real quick with me? All right. Why don't you bring that phone with you? That way you can look up your information there, okay?
One's
All right.
business and one's personal.
Gotcha. Just hang out with my lieutenant here if you don't mind. Thank you, sir. When I run the registration, it shows that she does not have insurance on file with the state of Florida. She also has a suspended driver's license. She also admitted to me that she was smoking marijuana prior to driving, so we're going to investigate her for DUI as well. Okay. While you're walking, touch your feet heel toe on every step. count your steps out loud, and do not stop walking until you completed the test.
Okay, sorry, my knees are buckling. Hold
You're right.
on 1 second. Not my feet, but my knees. They're like just shaking. They're really fragile. Okay, I'm ready whenever.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My knees are buckling. I'm sorry. 9. And then you said to turn around like this. I believe. Like that, like this. Sorry, that's the part I was confused at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, my knees are shaking really bad.
Unfortunately, I do believe that you're under the influence of marijuana today. Okay, you are going to be placed under arrest for DUI. Okay, well, you did smoke, and I see a lot of indicators of impairment on you. Okay.
Can I please call somebody?
No, ma'am. Is there anything I missed on my search that would get you in trouble? Because even medical marijuana, if you bring it into the jail, it's a felony charge. Is there anything on you?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
What do you have?
A gar.
A what?
A gar.
What's a gar?
A paper.
Like rolling papers?
Yes.
Is there any marijuana in it?
Yes.
Okay. Where's it tucked?
Inside of me.
Okay. Like in where I'm thinking?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you for being honest with me. Yep. Yep. That side. It's unlocked.
Hi. It's a joint?
Yeah.
Okay. And then is it in paper or do you have it in plastic?
No paper. And I'm on my period.
Oh, girl, you're killing me.
So she's going to be transported up to the Lee County Jail, where we'll do a breathalyzer test and the urine test and possibly a drug influence evaluation. She will be booked into the Lee County Jail on the DUI charge. The vehicle is going to be towed, and she'll have possibly some additional charges for the marijuana and the pill that was found in her vehicle as well.
Make sure none come out missing out my car.
We're not doing that. I already took pictures of your car inside and out, how exactly like it was.
I made today on my clothes.
Took all the money out and I put it into the evidence bag in the back, and it's going with you to jail with your wallet.
Why you gotta say it like I'm a criminal?
Okay.
To jail. Just say to the place that we gotta bring you to.
The place that I gotta bring you. Is that? Okay.
This is so ghetto.
Some Spanish, dude.
Where's the guy that did it?
That's a good question. Hispanic male, probably about 5'4", no shirt. That's all I got.
That's probably his hat. And probably went down there to that party. And they don't know who it was?
No, they don't. 41, we're on park. It's probably.
There's rocks inside. I smell gas. I smell gas, like gasoline. It's like, pretty sure gas was poured on the car or in the car or something. It was really strong. So there's a handful of rocks inside the car. It smells like gasoline. So Hispanic male, no shirt, went that way.
That's what I'm told. These guys didn't seem to care about it. I don't know if it's their car or what. Now they won't answer the door again. Okay.
Well, you got every single window. You could see the rock inside the car and the pile of rocks outside the car. And as they continue to search for who it was that did that to that vehicle, we're going to squeeze in a quick break. But we are on patrol on a busy holiday weekend, Saturday night. We got 8 departments and 50 cameras. Don't go anywhere. We're back right after this.
Go with the vandalism report for now. We'll see what Deputy Rhodes has. I mean, at this point, who knows where they could have went?
Can't even find the victim.
Huh?
Can't even find the victim. Them plates.
Oh, no one's answering the door?
They don't seem concerned about it, and they won't answer the door anymore. No registration on the vehicle, and the VIN plate's covered up. So I can't even figure out who it belongs to.
What'd she say?
Something about a transport. I think that's 224.
That guy running? Stop! Do not move!
Moment.
There's 226 time.
Mi family.
What are you running for?
Mi family aquí
Oh, you're looking for your hat you dropped?
No.
What?
Moment. Mi family.
Your family where? Up there?
Here. No muy English.
You speak English?
No.
Okay.
41 does.
You speak Spanish?
No.
No. Speak Spanish?
You breaking windows?
Yeah. Mi phone, you my family?
Am I your family? No.
No. Mi house is 25.
Your house is 25. Okay.
That happened so fast. I mean, what are the odds that you're investigating, you got a dark neighborhood, and you see someone running?
Great job on their part where he fits the description, close proximity to the crime scene. Everything seems to fit, and then flee upon the police arrival. That tends to be a good indicator that you might be involved.
Yeah, they'll certainly do the investigation.
Sure.
They'll figure it all out. They'll get the translator, like you mentioned. It's really important. I want to go back out there, though, because Kenny Fitzsimmons has been on the scene in Richland County. I want to listen in.
Are you back here? Hey! Leave it!
They not bad. They just try to buy me.
So, we're 6'9" with the guy.
Okay.
He came walking back up.
I talked to the people
Stuck
at
his
this
head back.
house that were the callers for that call, and they were screaming over here. And she's having some sort of domestic with this fella right here.
Yeah.
And he just, not this one, the one that was just back in the house.
Is this 25?
To him, but I can't get through the dogs to do it. No, that's 25 over there.
Move!
This is a different house. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25. 25.
Hello.
How you doing?
All right.
Sounds like there's more dogs.
There's a cat in the window.
He just walked in there. I just saw him.
And come around the corner, see he was just surrounded by dogs. Well, we can go try to figure out why this guy ran. Looked like he had a bloody lip.
I need to go to family court to victim. No, ma'am, you need to go to magistrate court. Pardon me? Magistrate court. Pardon me? The magistrate court.
Magistrate court?
I'm sorry, I'm hard of hearing. I got issues. What's wrong with them?
The magistrate's court. Magistrate court.
Okay.
You go there. Chick-fil-A used to be.
I'll go there Tuesday.
Okay.
Tuesday.
You go over there and file for an eviction. He won't answer the door for me, so I can't talk to him. But like I told you, it's nothing criminal anyway.
No,
okay?
it ain't.
That's just an argument
It's
between
just-
you and him.
Well, it ain't an argument. He's just no good.
Well, I
he won't
understand that.
leave. He won't go home. He won't go nowhere. He just want to be here to torment the life out of
Well,
me.
It sounds like you need to go have him evicted, and then you all won't have these
Are
problems.
these y'all's
anymore,
dogs?
okay?
Pardon me?
Are these dogs? Are these dogs
They're
yours?
not mine. No, they're not
hers,
mine.
she said. She said they're the neighbor's dogs.
They neighbors' dogs. They're
I don't know
harmless.
which neighbor. So this guy just took off running whenever you went over there?
Well, we were walking down. We see him walking back this way. About 4 trailers away, he cuts out. He sees us, turns around and books it. So we run after him, catch.
Looks like they've got a translator on the phone to try to figure out their investigation with the man they've detained for the car break-in.
Okay, so you admitted to destroying the car?
Apparently though, the guy went to his house and he was like, you need to leave, or I'm gonna smash the windows. And I guess the guy didn't leave, and so he smashed the windows.
So whose car is it?
It sounds like it's MIPP all day long though.
Well, it would be. I asked him who owns the car.
And where's he at?
¿De quién?
Así es.
¿Y dónde está él?
Y él se escapó, se huyó de aquí. Cuando yo le pegué el vidrio, él se escapó. No, no está aquí. Yo estoy aquí con mi pareja. Mi pareja está aquí afuera de la casa.
¿Y pues, se echó a correr?
Así es, él se echó a correr porque él sabe que él me debía lo de lo que yo trabajé con él.
Okay, déjame hablar con el policía.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It sounds like we have no victim, bro. Because
That's-
he said that the guy ran away.
Okay, yeah, that's kind of where I was at.
I'm like, why did he run? He's like, I guess because the police were calling, so I don't know. Either he's afraid of the police too, or
Yeah, well, the
I don't know,
VIN
so-
plate's covered and the tag's off the car, so.
We can move the van. We can move the.
Yeah, we can probably get it.
Ven, Juan Marco.
All right, yeah, I appreciate you translating. We'll do a little bit more research on our side to figure out what we can do.
All right, if you leave me a comment right because I'm going inside the jail now.
All right, man. Thank you.
All right. Yeah.
I'm gonna go see if I can figure out what that VIN is and run it. See what we're at.
All right. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with opening the door to uncover the van.
Yeah, excuse me. Mi family, mi mom.
Your fam?
Mom
No. No. Right now you can wait. Maybe Ron, you gotta get anything. We're leaning on it.
Yeah, they all live here.
May have found a potential witness here.
Then why would he break up his own car?
or is he the one that broke the car? Did we say?
Yeah, you said he did.
De cora.
De coraje.
Okay, so y'all you didn't see anything or don't know anything about it. Okay. Both of them say this car belongs to him.
Okay.
It's not against the law to break your own stuff. Why did you run? I wasn't looking forward to going for a jog tonight. Okay, a little bit.
So apparently the individual is saying that this is his car. He decided just to come outside and take rocks to his windshield, so they're gonna cut him loose, and that's gonna be into that.
The female over there and the male, who are they to you? Hang on. The female over there and the male, who are they to you?
Mi family.
Your family, okay. And you said the car belongs to a guy you work for.
That's weird.
Richland County Sergeant Fitzsimmons appears to be in pursuit, yeah, of this
Go ahead and
vehicle.
show me 10-0. We're heading outbound. Going into oncoming traffic, outbound 2 knots, crossed over Oakcrest. Approaching Alpine, straight through Alpine, still heading outbound 2 knots. Let me know what comes back on that tag. Speeds are 63. So sitting at a red light, this car just blows around me in the middle lane, goes through the red light.
Drive, all units to final tech 2, official clear 2311.
Passing through Raven Road, still heading outbound 2 knots. He just hit the center median.
I can call for you.
Alright. Hey, he blew his front driver's side tire.
946. Slowing down, doing about 50 miles per hour. Still 2 knots outbound. Action coming northeast drive. You're approaching Spring Valley Road. 2 knots still outbound. Speeds are 45. Light traffic.
Somebody tell me what that tag comes back to. The back driver's side tires flat.
Kilo Echo Delta 909 comes back to a 2000 Honda Accord.
Yeah, he's got both driver's side tires are flat. Oh, just hit a car. Don't move! Don't move! Show me your hands! Show me your hands now! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Lay down on the ground! Do what you're told! Lay down flat! Hands behind your back!
They're rolling stopping.
Alright, we're gonna get you up, ready? Where are we going, straight?
I'm not getting I got no case. I'm not getting in no car. I'm not getting, I swear to God. Yes, you are. They're trying to kill me.
You're going to jail.
They're trying to kill me.
You're getting in the car. You're going to jail.
They're trying to kill me right
You're
now.
trying to boy,
No,
dumbass.
man, he just told me to crash with somebody. They're playing pranks on me and shit. It's a chip in my head.
Okay.
I swear to God, it's a legal chip in my head.
Okay.
Hey, where you at?
You're the cage?
I cannot go in the car. I swear to God. Stop. I cannot go in the car. That's gonna kill me.
He's talking about a 557 Chevrolet.
Cheers, so you can clear the channel. Hey, somebody check in another car.
Wow. All right. So you can see the adrenaline still pumping with the officers there.
You weren't in the car?
I was in the car.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Okay. Thank God. Thank you.
Get out of the way. I'm getting
I appreciate you, sir. Hey, only one occupant. We got him. All right. So I was just sitting at a red light. This guy passes me in the center lane. No idea why. It's right here in this parking lot. The driver's already here. It might have went into the side parking lot over here to the side of the building. So we're just sitting at a red light, and this car just goes all around us, driving reckless, and blows the red light in oncoming traffic. Went to go try to do a traffic stop, ask him what's going on, and he just doesn't want to stop. Keeps on going, hits a curb, blows both driver's side tires. Unfortunately, ends up hitting the car in center median. Luckily, nobody's hurt. Then the guy comes through the grass and straight into a pillar. Doesn't look like any of the glasses broke on the windows, so that's good. But he's saying something about voice in his head told him to run.
All right, so this was a very potentially dangerous situation. Ended up being very lucky that no one got hurt here.
But still, an innocent motorist was, struck by this guy just refusing to pull over. Every time I see it, it just makes less and less sense.
And then blames, of course, the police, right?
Well,
saying, well, you almost killed me. Actually, I think we have the moment here right before he hits that car. So he's in the pursuit, both tires on the left side.
Yeah, he's got both driver's side tires are flat.
Ooh.
Just hit a car.
So and now a strip mall and a business owner has to now endure, property damage. It's all avoidable.
And he says he walks out of the car and talks about having a chip in his head, et cetera.
Yeah.
So then you start thinking, okay, this potentially mental illness here, et cetera. But that doesn't change the danger to the officers and to the other people on the road and the person who just got their car hit. The question becomes, if he is mentally ill, how did he get into that car?
A situation like this, like you said, is so dangerous. Imagine if somebody was walking across on that sidewalk.
Hey, we're gonna get you out of this car. We're gonna get you in a van that's a little bit bigger, okay? So you're not as confined.
Live in Richland County with Sergeant
partner right here
Kenny
is gonna
Fitzsimmons
transport
talking
you.
to The suspect, who just fled from him, crashed into another car and crashed into a
I
building.
understand that. However, you are going to jail, but we're going to move you over to a bigger vehicle for the person that's actually going to be taking you, okay? So go.
Can I get the handcuffs taken off?
No, you're under arrest, man. Oh, hey, get back out. Let me readjust them for you so they're not as tight. So I put them on kind of quick. So go ahead and step out for me and I'll readjust them so they're not as bad for you. All right? I mean, you're not a bad guy, man. You just made a bad choice or what you were told to do. All right, go ahead and turn around.
Man. 3-4 nights.
Hang on. No, hang on. I'm just. These things ain't anything special. I'll just trade cuss with you.
Remember, the suspect here
So these aren't
talked
anything
about having a
special?
chip in his head
Yeah.
and was very afraid of getting into the vehicle. So it sounds like Sergeant Fitzsimmons is going to be moving him to a larger vehicle, but he's still getting transported to jail one way or another.